Kids, what a fun it is, this winter's night. It's warm, the oven fire's burning bright. You're sitting tightly, not afraid of cold. You're joyful, not a worry in the world. And none of you no anguish ever knew. You're sitting pretty, nothing troubles you. Immersed into your mother's fairy tales, you do not feel the night, no winter gales. Let strong winds gust beyond, and let it snow. Let the roof thatch fly forth with every blow. No bird will venture out, afraid of frost, but you are warm and fine, no worries lost. But may at times it cross your tender mind, not all enjoy happiness of this kind. There are some orphan children in the world, no land they have, no parents know about. In winter nights, no hope they can hold. Their cheeks and noses freeze of bitter cold. They will be lucky not to ice to death, for some indeed meet their end like that. And if you ever see such poor kids, with eyes in tears, sad in many needs, my children, offer them your love and warmth, and comfort them with kind and tender words.
Mm.